Assalamu alaikum. How are you? And my name is Bushra Saleem, and today we are going to discuss the topic of IGSE ICT 0417. This is chapter number one, and this is the last topic of the TED chapter, and it's about the impact of emerging technology. Acha, this is a very important chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the emerging technologies. Acha, now what is emerging technologies? Okay, now emerging technologies क्या होता है? What is this? Emerging technologies are the technologies that are newly developed, like the technologies that are just developed or the kind of innovative technologies, and if there is any improvement is going on, there's any that one is called the emerging technologies as well. For example, you can take an example of the reports are being we are using it since many years, but there's the advancement or the improvement innovation is going on in over there. So that is also kind of emerging technology, or the latest one and the top post is the AI. It's an AI that we are using nowadays. It's also an example of an emerging technologies. There are the many emerging technologies that we are using nowadays that are change our way to live. Okay, and we are commonly used in our daily life for that. Acha, so the things that the emerging technologies that are included in our chapter is the first one is the AI. Acha, you know what is an AI? AI is an artificial intelligence, or it is a technology that focus on creating a computer system that, like for example, that mimic human. Basically, we are going to the machine that mimic human behavior, that work and act like a human. That is the main purpose of the artificial intelligence. Okay, like for example that like we have a human intelligence, okay, then artificial intelligence is created so that they will use their intelligence like the human, like they are going to think like a human and act like a human. Okay, that machines. Acha, the or it basically technology focus on creating a computer system that closely mimic and simulate human intelligence, and it can be used to enhance video games. Like if you want to, it is also going to use in the video games as well. Okay, this AI, and also it help in the like computer tactics, or also it help in the decision making, like expert system. You see there's an expert system of like the doctor one, or the expert system of this one consultant, or in the various field. So how it will do it, it is used in helping the decision. Okay, it will just take the input up, they will ask the user different questions, and there is a there's a database over there, the knowledge based system, and there's a humans behavior over there, human knowledge based over there, the experiences as well, their behavior. And then they will just check it from there, and there's a rule base, like they will check it if it is satisfy this thing, if it is follow this thing, then give the answer according to our information. Okay, according to our requirement the user is asked. Okay, like for example, if the user is asked for the like if the expert system of the consultant, like they ask you that what is the behavior, like what is this, like hoga, like there is a fever. Okay, they ask you for the fever, then if they ask if there's a cough over there. Okay, then there is any contagious device diseases. Okay, or like you have a flu, or if there is a sprain or a fracture, so they give you the thing, then you are like you have a what device you have it, what sorry what things you have it. Okay, they will just diagnose it according to the questionnaire. So asking to the questions, then they will match it their answer from the knowledge base and the rule base and give you a suggestion. And if the AI don't understand it, then give you a suggestion that I am not confident. Okay, we will check their answer by their confidence level. Okay, it's 100%, not 100%, that one. If it is not sure, like if it is not in the database, or if it not your answer not measured from there, then give you the confidence level is low, or you can check the go to the consultant and check for there. Okay, so they give you the answer like this. So it gives or it will also use AI is also used in the robotics one, in the reports to animate human behavior. Okay, so we can use it over there. So like human behavior, like it's in the human IT reports as well, it's going to use it. Or it's also help understand the different human languages as well. Okay, it's like if you want to convert it the different human languages, so we can use it over there. Okay, so or it could be the impact on the everyday life, like what will be the impact of everyday life or using this AI, so we can also see this thing. over there. Acha, now, the other type, it can also be used to accurately predict the hazards, weather. Okay, what will be the like predict the weather if there is a natural disaster, if there's a heavy flood over there, take a tsunami like this, so we can protect it. AI can protect it. Okay, or it can be also used in the flood kits as well. Use a flood kit, automated flood kit. Like you can just check the this one. Like AI will detect it. Like in the China, there's a dam. They are using the AI based flood kits over there. They will protect it, and they will there the sensors as well. They will monitor the water level, and if there is, they will see if there is any danger over there. They will close the gates. Okay, gates of the this one. Okay, so it will also send the water and the condition signal warning automatically. Or it will also, you can also take over the manual tasks for humans, for example, increasing, or like for example, for if all the work is going by the AI, so your task will be the manual. You don't have, you have a free time and you can do the other thing. Okay, so it can be used for safer automated travel, like cars, and like it's an example of an automated car, autonomous car. Okay, in the autonomous car, like the Tesla and the five Cybertrucks, you don't need any drivers. It's a driverless car. So AI, it's an AI based. They're like how it working. There, it use the satellite one, so different satellites, and they will just navigate you navigate it from the signal and find the bar. And there's a census as well. They it will reach it over there. You just set the destination and will follow the best route, and the shortest possible route time. Then it will take it over there. Okay, and the safe one. And it will also increase the safety by able to tell difference between owner and intruder, call authorities, and automatically like safely, like you can also protect your home for the home security system. You can use it like the cameras as well. You can install the cameras, so it will detect it, like if there is a stranger is coming in, or so you will just detect that one. You can call authorities as well automatically, like how you can just manage the calls, and that's one secure for this one. Or it will also improve in the medical case, as decision making skills and the precision can be enhanced. So we can take the help of the AI by using this one. Acha, another type of the important type of the emerging technology is the biometric. Acha, biometric, what is the biometric? Take every human as a unique identification system. Like what are our identification biometrics? Like our attending unique features. Like we have our fingerprints. Fingerprints, like every human has a different human fingerprints. So we can use that fingerprints to my biometric, okay, to identify the person, or retina, like the pupil of the in the eye one. Everyone has the unique that one. So it is used in the security purposes to verify the person. Okay, like it is used in the like for the attendance system as well. In the security areas, high security area, we can install it and we can verify the person. Only the authorized person are allowed to go inside the area. So we can use it. The iris one, okay, and your eyesight, and the face one, your facial face recognition, we can identify it. Your voice as well, like the voice we can also detect it. Okay, like you are allowed to it, like they can detect you through their voice, then it verify the person, then allow you to do the work specific work. Acha, they in the biometric, it include like there are unique to everyone. This can be used as a authentication technique. It can be used for the authentication technology, or in relation to the system use identify impact this identification. Basically, it is used to identify for identification to verify. Acha, what are the impact on our daily life? It is used for better security of the airport, since most all use at least one form of biometric check, if one not. Okay, so it will increase security in certain places, as only authorized person can gain entry. Okay, like in the school, in the like the military area, high profile area. So only the authorized person can allow to go. So it can be used to verify the person. A different authentication check. Or it will reduce vehicle theft, since newer car doors come with a fingerprint lock, only the door handles. So it will verify the person, then only can allow to open it. And it will more secure mobile devices. And now you have the sort of biometrics integrated into them. You can verify it. You can open it through the fingerprint, your face acquisition, your voice as well. So I so you can open that one. Only person can unlock your phone by using this biometric. So it is used in the basically for the verification purposes, and it's a kind of the emerging technology. Acha, the vision enhancement. This is also a type of the emerging technology. Acha, this include two one. Acha, why we use this one vision enhancement? Because if there is a low enhancement, if you want to project the things, like first we talk about the LVES. It is low vision enhancement system. It is used for video projected inside the headset in front of the user's eye. Okay, like you can it bring the object closer for the viewer. Okay, like for example like the you will just wear the goggles or the headsets, and it will give you the clear picture of it with a low this one, and you can just bring closer it and you can just examine it. Acha, now night NVE is the night vision enhancement. Acha, this is amplify visible and infrared as one. इसमें क्या होता है, the light passes through the image and enters the tubes. Acha, it is used for the in the army surveillance as well. At the night time, if you they want to go on around to check the enemies and this one to survive and to rescue someone, so they can use this technology. They can use these special headsets over there, and they can identify a person over there. They will detect it. Okay, it gives you the clear picture at the night as well. Okay, in internet, what is the it use the amplify visible and infrared rays. Okay, that one. So that's about the vision enhancement. Now robotics is also kind of the emerging technology. Acha. So, there are the different types of reports as well that we using in different things as well, like the humanoid reports, autonomous reports, or drones is also example of the reports. Yeah, robotics apps as well that are using in the factories, in the for the surgeries we are using it. Acha, these reports, what is the purpose of why we use the reports and how it can you help us? So basically, it is programmed machinery widely used to physically dismantling glass. Like for example, we can use it for the security purposes for the do the round. Like the job, basically, the difference between the robot replacing the humans by the robot is that the robots can do continuously. They don't need any break. They cannot be tired. They don't need any rest. So it can be work more efficiently, okay, as compared to the human. They can do more work, efficient work. So they are every machine, every robot is designed to do a specific work, okay, according to that one. Or it's an automated work, like it can do it automatically. They don't need any human intervention in most of the systems like this. Or it can be a manual operated as well, like in the surgery. Doctors are using the robotic arm for the surgeries, so there it can be a manually operated as well. So we can fix it according to that one. Acha, it is used to perform several tasks like dangerous jobs such as bomb disposal, where the humans are in the danger, they can't perform that job. So in the dangerous job, they can use that one. Okay, we can use that one. In the volcanoes area, the flooded areas, natural disasters area where the human can't go. Okay, it can be or the high in the fire as well. You want to rescue something where the human can't go, so we can use the report. Report can go over there and save it. Okay, for the rescue purposes as well. So it is also used for exploring extreme environments such as volcanoes, like I told you in over there, or it can be, the in the on the Mars, like where the high temperature over there, where the human can't survive over there. So the scientists have sent the report over there on the Mars, and they just explore it and examine it and just send us the information regarding to the Mars over there. So we have it. We already sent it to over there, scientists over there. So the things where human can't go, it can be changes over there, changes for them, so we can send the report over there and they can do the work for us. And the repetitive manufacturing jobs such the welding, for example, the automobile industry, you can take the everything setup is done by the robotics. So every like from the assembling of the bars, seats, bending, bending and weldings, and the spraying paints, okay, fixing everything, seating, fixing. So everything is done by the that one, and it is going on continuously. Like the one car, there's a one area fixed over there, then it moved to the car, move fixed to the next area, then this one, there's a complete setup over there. Then each arm, each part, each area, specific area is doing the different one. Okay, like the welding one, painting, take a fixing, tire fixing, like this, everything. So it can be using over there. It's also used in the manufacturing companies as well. So like for example, the you can take the example of the like packing industry, the lace one, or you can take the example of the like Pepsi. Okay, anything company. So they are doing over there. The automatically the setup is over there. It can going over there and it will just using the sensors, and they will check the levels as well, and they were performing the task. Like the packing as well. Okay, in the packing industry, they're just packing it, and or even they are loading the stuff, the cartons on the board as well. Okay, on the uh, on the van. Acha, and the moving heavy objects such as large engines and this one that difficult for humans to load it, so we can use the robot that can use to loading that thing. And it's a very impact. What are the impacts on our daily life? It increased personal time, like robots are doing the work over there, so we don't need that thing. Okay, so we don't need that extra work. We don't need, like in the domestic, or for example vacuum cleaner, robotic vacuum cleaner can do clean our work, the dishwashing one, the other work. Okay, so we don't need that thing. They can cook, like in the China, in the Japan as well. The robots are using in the all the work are done by the robots, that from cooking till serving on the tables. All the works are done by the robots. So it will save the human time, or to do that domestic work. They can be work over there. To on the other works, other important work, they can utilize that time. Or it will increase the manufacturing efficiencies, and robots are much faster and less expensive than the human labor. So basically, the robots are replacing by the have been humans are been replaced by the robots because they work more efficiently. Acha, employment is a negative impact as well, like the more robots have taken the jobs of the human, the label jobs, label one. So employment has report replacing this one. Okay, autonomous house. So that is the main. Acha, so the other thing. Acha, so it will or reports can also use for in the safer working environments, and reports can perform tasks are too changes for humans, so it can be used over there. That one. So that's all for the topic. We have covered the robots and the AI. So take care. Allah Hafiz.